little brother and my little cousin. Yep, Iya. And we want guys to show you guys some new toys. So now let's get started, shall we? Let's go! First, guys, we have my little brother's favorite animal, which is
Lion.
yep, lion. Ah. Oh, it bit my arm. Now, guys, we have here a baby rhino.
Baby rhino.
Do you guys love rhinos?
Yes.
Me too. It's so cute.
That's cheetah.
Yep, cheetah. It's super fast. Next, we got here a giraffe. It has a very long neck. And guys, we have a gorilla.
You have cheetah always fast.
Yep, cheetahs are very fast. Gorilla. Next, guys, we have a hippopotamus.
Yeah.
Yep, we have, guys, a chimpanzee. Is it, guys, cute?
Yes.
Yes, it's cute. And we got here a bear.
And you have shark.
Yep, and a shark.
Baby shark. Baby shark.
Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. And we have we got the bear hug. Guys, it's wearing overalls. That's so funny. So I think, guys, this is all for today's video, and I hope you liked this video. And please, if you did, please like and subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Goodbye, guys. I love you.